Okay, so we've just logged into our Cpanel account, and what we're going to do in this tutorial is install WordPress on the staging URL, which is not the live domain. So we'll just run through that and some of the steps we go through. So first of all, we've got a fresh Cpanel account here, and what we'll do, we'll use Fantastico. You can also use simple scripts or whatever other automatic installation you've got available in your Cpanel. So in Fantastico it opens up all available scripts. We're just going to choose WordPress, and we're going to select new installation, and we're going to install it in the root URL, and we're just going to select the default admin username and password, and then we'll just put some things in there. Then what we'll do is email address, put all these details in, and we'll just install the WordPress and we can make the adjustments later on. Okay, so when we're installing on a test URL, we haven't linked the live domain, we still want to develop the site, so these details are not actually correct, but we can finish the installation, and I'll run through how we find the correct URL. Okay, so yeah, none of these details will be correct because we haven't linked that actual URL to our Cpanel account. What we'll do here though is we'll open up a new tab, and we'll go and find our staging URL. And what we can do here is we'll open up the staging URL of the Cpanel account, and this is opens up the public HTML folder. Now we can see there that has linked to where we've installed WordPress, but the CSS and things aren't finding the correct path because of the way Fantastico has installed it. So we'll just switch back. There, back to Fantastico. Now what we'll do, we'll actually go back to the control panel, and we'll go into PHPMyAdmin to edit the database, and that's the WordPress database. We'll go into the options. We're going to change a couple of options here. What we'll do here is we're going to edit these site URL and blog URL manually in the admin of the database. We'll be able to run the test site then. So we'll update that. Then we'll also go to the next page, and we'll update the next one as well. And when we go live with the website, we'll be changing these back in the WordPress admin. So let's just update that. Okay, that should be fine. And then now that we've updated that, we should be able to go to the actual website, load it up, and there we go. We've got a fresh WordPress install on our staging URL, which is either the main hosting domain name with the Cpanel account name after it, or it would be the IP address of the server with the Cpanel account name. That is if you're using WHM to manage the multiple Cpanel accounts. And then we can also log in there as well, and we've got that admin and the password that we chose, and we're into WordPress, and then we can go ahead with configuring the rest of the WordPress install and developing our website before we want to publish it to the live domain.